Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube video. It's the home of the 5-minute video. I don't waste your time. Today I'm going to talk to you about how do you qualify for IRS tax debt forgiveness. Just a little word about me. I don't spend much time. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I have been doing this for 50 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. If you want to see me in a suit and tie, you can look at all my videos, my national videos. I'm on national TV a lot, maybe 8 times in the last 4 months. You can go to 777irs.com. More importantly, you can see my team on there. I want to, by the way, I do these videos for 3 reasons. I give you insider information from IRS. I'm very honest. I don't get overly excited about things, and I just let you know what the truth is. So how do you apply for IRS tax debt forgiveness? That is a term that we really need to qualify. I only spend 4 more minutes doing this. The IRS tax debt forgiveness program is called the Offer in Compromise. How well do I know that program? I used to teach the program at IRS. I used to accept offers in compromise. I used to deny offers in compromise. I know offers in compromise, upward, backwards, sideways, everywhere. As far as the east is to the west, I know everything about IRS tax debt forgiveness. So what you need to know that's very relative and germane for this particular video is this. You're going to see a lot of ads and a lot of ad spends on Google pay-per-click, on Facebook, Instagram, that there are hundreds and thousands of companies saying, settle here, we can do that, we can do that, we can do that, we can do that. Most of them are all full of crap. Just let me tell you now, these companies usually are owned by other individuals and who think they have busted their way into IRS tax resolution, and they have a small back-end office where they have people trying to work these offers and compromise cases, and they don't work. So the first place that you can start is the IRS pre-qualifier tool. You can go to irs.gov, IRS pre-qualifier tool. You can walk through that program at IRS. It only takes 5 minutes. So IRS is not going to settle for any less than you have. So let's say you owe $100,000 in tax, but you have $150,000 equity in your home. IRS isn't going to settle the debt. If you have the money to pay the tax, but you can't access it, IRS isn't going to accept the offer. IRS wants to know if you liquidated everything, what you can give them. So let's stop there. That's the cardinal rule. I stop everyone there because there's no sense in going forward. So just shut the video off. If you have the money to pay the tax, you're not going to get your offer accepted. I don't give a crap what anybody else tells you. It ain't going down. The other 2 things you need to know are this. Hey, IRS wants to know the value of your assets, and they want to know what your income and expense ratio is. IRS has a national standards program for income and expenses. You can check out the IRS national standards on my videos. What IRS does is they control what you can spend for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and operations for cars. You may have this amount, but IRS says, the IRS national standards per the Department of Labor says, we're only going to give you this. What the people don't know that you may hire is they don't know what the formula is, and they're going to push an offer and compromise that's going to extend your statute of limitations and give IRS a roadmap into your into your financial life. What you need to do, and I'm being really, really honest with you here, is to go ahead and contact either an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent. Why? Those are the only people that are licensed to contact IRS on your behalf. Then you must give them the IRS financial statement to look at, that IRS is going to look at so they can comment to see, in fact, if you're eligible. So if you do what I'm telling you, most people just send me their 433A form. I can look at it. I use the A. I like the A. And I'll tell you whether you're qualified or not. Don't go running off, because 90% of the people you're going to speak to are salespeople. You will get ripped off. I get them on this phone every day. You're going to get ripped off. Make sure, in fact, you don't. The IRS Tax Debt Forgiveness Program is the offer and compromise. Last year they accepted, I think, 18,000 offers of everyone in the United States. If you get a true professional, they will tell you whether you qualify. A true professional will tell you the lowest rate, the lowest amount you can settle for, and your taxes will be gone if you qualify. Give me a subscription. I've given you everything I got, baby. Please give me the subscription. Thank you.